Here is story of Sitama. Sitama lives in her house. Her house is ancestral house. Like her father, father of father, her grandfather, great grandfather. So inherently the families are living in the same home. So that is ancestral home. This home is in Guntur city. Hello and welcome. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from 3rd standard NCERT book. Looking around, the name of the chapter is Families Can Be Different. Let's get started. Children, do you know that game in which there is circle of students and one student is sitting in center and he plays a music and the circle of students start running in a circle itself, and the center person, when he stops music, the circle of students stops suddenly, and the center person, he speaks like 5, 6, 7, any number he can speak like that. So the circle students have to make the group of those numbers. Like if the person in center says 5, the circle students have to make a group of 5 kids, and students in that circle make their groups quickly. 5 students group they make quickly, and if a person if a student remains alone, then he has to leave the game. That is, he is out of the game. Alright, so the game plays over and over and over like that. So we have to answer some questions here. The question is, how did you feel when you could join a group of the required number? Why? When we make group of required number with other persons, so we find ourselves that we are lucky that our friends care for us, and also we feel happy that we have completed group and we do not have to leave the game. Next question is, how did you feel when you could not join any group? Why? Obviously, when we could not join any group, we will feel bad, and we will also feel that my friends keep me alone and they make their own group. So that would be the feeling of loneliness. So we will feel bad, obviously. Do you like to be with people? Yes, I like to be with people. With whom do you like to be more? I would like to be with my friend Shraddha. And if she makes group with any other group, so I will feel lonely and I will feel bad. How would you feel if you always had to be alone? I would be feeling sad, obviously. We people always prefer to live in group instead of living lonely. So that's why human beings live in family system. So here are some families and their stories we will learn. Here is story of Sitama. Sitama lives in her house. Her house is ancestral house. Like her father, father of father, her grandfather, great grandfather. So inherently the families are living in the same home. So that is ancestral home. This home is in Guntur city. The name of the city they are living is known as Guntur. Okay, and Dada, Dadi, Chacha and Bua. Chacha and Bua are younger. So all 4 family members, they live on ground floor. And on first floor, Gitama and her family live at some part of the first floor. And on other part of first floor, Tauji and his children, 3 children, live there. Tauji is known as uncle, but he is very elder than other brothers. So he is Tauji. In Gitama's family, there is her father who is younger than Tauji but elder than his other two brothers. Alright, and in Gitama's family, there is her mother and her younger sister. The name of the younger sister is Sitama. And in Tauji's family, there are Tauji and his three children, but Taiji has passed away before few months. So on first floor, there is family of Sitama, some part of first floor, and the other part of first floor, there is family of Tauji. Sitama's elder chacha and her new chachi, they live in a terrace, but there is one room in terrace area, so they both live in that one room. Her chachi and her chacha are newly married now. Before they have dinner, Sitama's mother teaches all the children the lessons. Sitama's mother teaches some lessons to these children. She teaches something to the children before they have dinner. And to cook dinner, they use ground floor's kitchen. So they make sure that they are together at the time of dinner. So they make good efforts to be together at dinner time. Tauji has three children and his very little younger daughter, she sleeps with Sitama's mother. So she might be missing her died mother, which has been passed away before few months. So she sleeps with Sitama's mother, and to get ready for school every morning, Sitama helps to her sister, who is Tauji's younger daughter. All right. Question is who are there in Sitama's family? There are Sitama, Gitama, her mother and her father. How is the relation between different people in the family? All the family members, they make sure that they have dinner together. They make sure to make time for each other at the dinner time. They make special effort to have their time on dinner. All right, to be together. And also when Taiji has been passed away before few months, so they make sure, all the family members, they make sure that Tauji's three children, they should not feel lonely at that time. In the last year, what are the changes that happened in the family? One change is Taiji has passed away, and other change is elder Chacha has got married. The next story is about a family again. The name of the story is Tara. Tara lives with her Amma and Nana. Amma's name is here Meenakshi. Meenakshi has not got married. She has adopted Tara. So Tara, her mother Meenakshi, and her Nana, that is Meenakshi's father, they three people live in a house. They are family. Meenakshi goes to office and she comes back in the evening. Tara also goes to school, and when she returns from school, her Nana takes care of her. Nana helps her in her homework, and Nana also plays with her. Also, Nana feeds her. So overall, Nana takes care of her. And this complete whole family, three people's family, they go for vacation on various places. So they enjoy themselves very much. Sometimes, occasionally, her Mausi, her Mausaji, and her cousins come at her place. So at such times, they play together for long hours, they chit chat for long hours, they make fun. Question is, who takes care of Tara home? Nana takes care of Tara. Nana plays with Tara. Nana takes care of Tara. Also, Nana feeds Tara, and also he helps in her homework. Students, have not yet completed this chapter, so we will be back with another part of this chapter. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh. Snowfalls like on Himalayas and on different hills, snowfalls. बर्फ गिरती है, ऐसे हिल्स पे, ऐसे माउंटेन्स पे बर्फ